Hello everyone, welcome back to this video series on how to design an architect website with free Elementor. So far we have designed 4 pages: home, about us, blog, and contact page. What we need to design is services page and projects or portfolio page. So in this video, let's design services page. One thing we can do, like the project or portfolio page, we can finish all the design in one page itself, or we can list the types of services in this services page, and we redirect them for the further details to single services page. What they are doing here is multi services page. Here in this services page they list the available services, and for the details we have to click read more, and it will lead to the single services page. If you are designing for yourself, then uh, you follow these steps and design multi pages services. And this multi services page is because we have different types of services, but if you're providing only single type service, for example, you are architect yourself, and you are providing yeah, uh, architecture or architect design services, specific type services for home design, interior design, or exterior design. Then you are providing single types of services, then you do not have to design multi-pages website. And you are designing for your client, then there may be limitations because of your budget quotation. Your client may want to limit the number of pages. Maybe you are charging per page. For example, you may charge $100 per page, then client may want to limit the budget. So in that case, you may want to design the page website, the services page, in a single page instead of multi-page. Web design itself is not an art. We are not painting, we are not expressing our beauty art itself. Web design is just a means to convert the web users, netizens, to our customers, clients, or donors, just supporters. So it's just a means, it's just a media, it's not art. So we do not have to be just obsessed with design and our desire to design a beautiful website. The best web design is the website that converts more customers, not the most beautiful website. So it's not a fixed thing. It depends on your budget, time, and the demands or the necessity needs of the clients. Okay, let's design this. What they are doing here is actually I don't like this design, but let's do it. Let me show you how to do this. The reason why I don't like this design, let me mention you first. Search negative space. We're going to bring this section or this column over this image using negative margin, and negative margins are not mobile friendly, meaning are not responsive. So it gives us more tasks, more troubles to design it, make it more responsive. And one thing here, as I have said before, base design is the web design that website that converts the customer modes. So yeah, instead of using lots of large images here, we can just list our services in one row or two rows depending on the number of services. For example, here there is services widget here like this. We can just list it. We can choose image here. So let's call it home design. And for further details, we can link to our single services page. Here I have not designed any single services page, and you can link it here. Insert the link, and same here, image. Ooh. We have to choose the same size image, otherwise it will not work. Let's call it office building designed at this one. Let's call it interior design. I'm using the same image because I do not have image of the same size, other different sizes for this specific type of services, like that. Description should be written here. Okay, insert a link here. Okay, I have 3 type of services. That's it. And if you want to have space above paddings, we can just insert it. For example, 50 padding at the top, 50 at the bottom, like this, like this. So yeah, instead of putting lots of spaces here, and we have to scroll down to see the different types of services, with this design, with this simple design, one just navigate to services page, and you can get to know all the types of services available here, all the 3 types of services here at just a glance. Yeah, I do not have to go to all the trouble to scroll down to see the details. That's it. And we save a lot of time here with this, with single compound widget. And here settings, we can make it carousel too. If I have more than 3 services, we can display them as carousel too, like this. So this is a very good compound widget. And style 2, style 3. So style is nothing but the alignment of this title and contents, description contents. Okay, and style, and here what we can do is change those typography and color of this title and the description. Okay, that's it.